Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Hotmail account. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate on the Outlook login page. This is going to be the home page of the official website. Look for the Create Account option. It should be right over here. Click on this, then it will begin setting up your new Hotmail email. Okay? Pick a username for your new email password or your email address. Then create a strong password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase numbers, or it means letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account secure. Now, fill in your first and last name, birthday, and region. This information helps personalize your accounts and set up recovery options. And finally, complete any verification steps like CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Then review and agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions to finalize your account. And that's it. You've successfully created your new Hotmail account. I hope you found this video very helpful.